Hi viewers, welcome back again my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope viewers will be fine. You will see the stylish and most beautiful, latest and unique new best items on my channel. Please guys subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And you will see the stylish, latest and unique new all items on my channel and most beautiful self mod of the bright Bodycon designs items associated mod of the bright Bodycon dresses with groom designs items on my channel. How much beautiful and stylish, best videos and unique new best Bodycon designs, ideas, different patterns and unique new outstanding and stylish, applications and modern and attractive unique new all one of the bright evening party designs with Bodycon designs, ideas, different shades designs, ideas on my channel. 2020 unique new all modern and outstanding and unique new best collections and unique new best mod of the bright Bodycon designs, shifting shades designs, ideas, let's shade mod of the bright Bodycon dresses, double frilly dress designs, full sleeve dress designs, ideas on my channel. 2020 unique new modern and outstanding and unique new all creative and attractive outstanding unique new full sleeves mod of the bright Bodycon designs with groom designs, ideas, let's shade mod of the bright Bodycon designs, ideas on my channel. Beautiful and outstanding and unique new all more than hundreds of new designs, ideas, latest and unique new all modern and attractive eye-catching colors, unique new laces, patchwork, back designs, front designs and unique new best mod of the bright Bodycon designs, ideas and evening party designs, shifting shades, checkered styles mod of the bright Bodycon designs, ideas on my channel. 2020 unique new all more than hundreds of new designs, ideas on my channel. Guys, you will see the stylish and unique new full sleeves knee length Bodycon dress designs with evening party dress designs, ideas, let's sheet shift and sheet dress designs, ideas on my channel. Modern and attractive unique new all collections and follows a unique new best mod of the bright Bodycon designs with groom designs, ideas on my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching my all videos, and you will see the stylish, creative and unique new all best patterns, and you will see the stylish, creative and unique new best videos and outstanding and unique new mod of the bright Bodycon designs, full sleeves Bodycon designs, ideas on my channel, shift and shades designs. So thank you so much guys for watching my all videos.